After it took us almost an hour and a half to get here.
Yeah.
It's faster by car.
Yeah, I don't know this.
You could have asked me. You know, except that they are having what? Some sort of beauty contest?
Yeah. That's why they have like a buffet, like
I see that.
But if he said if you wanna eat, they have a open restaurant right there.
Oh.
Maybe I gonna look.
Hibhu Hill Resort. We're in Maasin. We drove the scooters. My testicles are just becoming unnumbed after an hour and a half. Both hands are still numb. Not used to riding a bike for 90 minutes. Alright. Yay?
Yeah.
Did you survive? No, you didn't survive? Yeah?
I'm not survived.
Long ride?
Yeah.
Sore butt? Yeah. Didn't scare me. Looks nice here.
Next time I tell Auntie Chona that next time we're gonna swim here.
Swim here?
Yeah, and she said yes.
And we'll bring one of the cars instead.
Yeah.
Prices are nice. And the breakfast prices. They're even nicer.
Oh, tal. Ito labo. Ay, labot ka dati mo diri. Ha? Agwa na kayo magdiriwa.
And they've also got a drink menu. And other cool beverages, cold beverages. I'm getting a mango shake. I'm not hungry. Wanted a banana shake. No stock. Out of stock.
Kasi na binito na, ayun, isa na nga. Ito sa, Indo na? Nareje. Okay nga naman lang kung bahay nila, no? Hindi naman yung batay ganit karga.
And today's peso rate is like 58.43 to the dollar. $2 is just under 117 pesos. $4 is call it 235, 233. Right on. Let me scoping out the contestants. Maybe find herself a side contestant. A weekend contestant.
Number 1.
Contestant number.
Sabi ni Jestel tuloy nito po siya ni kanpain mo siya.
Yeah. Be careful.
Ante, sige ka na
Yeah, Tess finds out. Tess is mad at you. Oh, here comes another one. Look.
No, that's not. The other one.
I don't know.
Kan lagyan gingon mo ra lagi
Oh. So what does Chona order everybody when we come out to a restaurant?
Yeah.
Hamburgers. And she gets some clubhouse things.
Aja mo nang kanang tinatag na
And
dong
of course,
na.
some fans at Bihon. Everybody peels off the. You don't like the. You don't like the.
They don't like it. They don't use to it like this.
Just lettuce and cucumber. Slice of American cheese.
Yeah, that's good.
That's why I didn't order anything. Because I'll get stuff. Alright. Except for one hamburger. Everything got eaten.
I don't know that because Thalia said, I want hamburger too.
I know, and she didn't eat it.
She don't eat it.
I know.
But don't.
Oh yeah, Dong. He's got a bag. He's taking it home. Everything's gone.
Asaram dito sila
I'm gonna prepare for that long ass 90-minute ride back home on a freaking scooter. Thalia sandwiched between Chona and I. How many body parts fall asleep this time? It is nice. And with whatever pageant there is. And there's lots of skinny young eye candy. Pointing them out to Lemmy. Seeing if she wants a little weekend warrior. I have no idea what the heart thing is. It says best wishes forever. I love you. Loving God. What is else? Happy and ever. Always love. I don't know. We'll be heading home soon. It'll be 5 o'clock almost by the time we get there if we leave at 3:30. How much is it? Chona, Macrohon.
1,006.
Okay, I got it. It was 1,688. Today's rate is 58.43. So all that food was $28.88 at today's rate. Well, 2 kids. Thalia, all she had was French fries.
Na, mga kuwan. Lamig
So.
na. Mas kahoy. Lamig na.
Mushrooms.
Ang tawag na taing nga sa daga. Daga. Parang ganun.
So,
Taing nga sa daga.
$28. In America, that would have been, I mean, there was 1, 2, 3, 4 hamburgers, a club sandwich, and a dish of, I mean, that would have been easy $100. Thank you. All right, we're tipped out.
Ay, ito nga ho. Kari in Excel.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Oh, you're kidding.
Siguro sa Badog Domingo sa tawag no? Sir, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you so much.
I think I see Ashley and Thalia.
They have one more place to look. We're just looking. Oh,
Where?
we're gonna go home right. Before we going home, we passing they have a nice place too. We can look, but we're not eating. We're just looking. We're gonna follow Dong. Dong! Halika na di, hapon na day. Agpaang Ashley no, nag-ingon naman si Ashley sa motor. Hindi nang giingon niya paa.
All right. One more place to look at. Banahaw Springs.
Banahaw Springs.
Uh-huh.
Banahaw.
Chona's got us here scoping this out. Maybe come here tomorrow. This one or the one where the beauty pageant was the other day. Should have probably asked about prices here and reserve a hut or something. This one's got fish. There's tilapia down there. All they can talk about is how big they are. And there's some good sized ones too. Right there. Natural spring. Nice fresh water. There's more huts up here. I'm gonna guess this is a pretty busy place on the weekends. Guess we'll find out. Alright, this is the Springs output. Very nice.